Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to do bingo. I'll take a screenshot of this, but I passed out the little cards and I just made these, poster board, some markers to put a screenshot. But what we're going to do is go over what all these symbols mean. And for the cover-ups, I just got cardstock blue, and I call these the blue tiles. And each kid gets a pile of blue tiles for the bingo cover-up. All right, the first symbol would be a P for piano. The letter P, I'll write it on the board and I'll say, what letter is this? They'll tell me, what does P mean in music? P means piano. Piano means softly. Let's sing row, row, row your boat, piano. Row, row, row your boat. Sing it very piano. And then I'll say, okay, pick up a blue square and cover up your P for piano. P for piano means very softly. And then we move on to the F for forte, and forte. Forte means strong sounds. Let's sing row, row, row your boat, forte. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. So they get the idea there. Okay, pick up a blue tile, cover up your forte. The next symbol, I mix them up, then I always do them in this order. The next symbol I'll show them would be probably the G clef, like that. Don't worry about it if you can't write it or not, but just do something close to it and they'll be fine with it. And G clef means high notes. G clef means high notes. All the kids love that. I have a very low voice, so sorry about that. Cover up your G clef. G clef is also called the treble clef. This is a great game for following directions, working as a group. That's the G clef and treble clef are the same thing. The next symbol, bass clef, and F clef are the same thing. Put hands down low. F clef means whole notes. F clef means whole notes. They cover that up. Then maybe we'll do the fermata down here at the bottom. I'll just draw a note. And the nickname of a fermata is a bird's eye. And a fermata means to hold a note extra. And I give this example. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? That's the fermata. And they get the idea of the fermata, okay? All right, fermata, F-E-R-M-A-T-A. The next one, let's just do this. That's the staff. Can you find your staff? Yes, let's cover up our staff. Can you make a staff with your fingers? Shh. How many fingers do you have on one hand? 5? Some kids don't know they have 5 fingers on one hand, so let them know that. Shh. Make a staff. The music lines live on, the music notes live on the staff. That's where we write all of our notes. So I'll write some notes on there that'll cover up their staff. All right, let's go on to the dot under the note. That is called a staccato. Cover up your staccato. Dot under a note or a dot over a note is a staccato. Staccato, the exact translation is detached. And it means the sounds do not touch. So let's make staccato sounds. Popcorn popping is a staccato sound. Let's sing row, row, row your boat staccato. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily. And they all laugh. They like it. They think that's fun. That's staccato. The next one, we'll do accent. You have your note. It's a quarter note. It's a sideways V. Sideways V, an accent. An accent means an extra strong note. And I tell them, let's sing row, row, row your boat. We're going to put an accent on the word boat. Row, row, row your boat. And they all jump. They all love it, especially the first time. They're not ready for it. And then repeat it with the kids so they get an accent. We'll cover that one up. The next one. And obviously I go a lot slower with the kids. So this activity takes about 15 minutes. Educational and meaty. All right, so you've got your notes. That curved line is called a slur. A slur means to play legato. A slur means to play legato. Legato means smoothly. Legato is how Ariel the mermaid sings. Ah, ah. Notice I'm making a slur shape with my hands. I tell them it looks like a black rainbow. And it's over notes or under notes. It's a curved line. It looks like a rainbow or a smile. And we'll cover up the slur. So that is music bingo. I'll take a screenshot of my little homemade cards that have served me well for 5 years. Laminate yours. But those are the signs and symbols that we use. I also use each one of these symbols plus others for the foot game. If you've seen that one of the other videos, I'll put a link down. All right, the next thing we did today, I did a lot of Mozart. Notice Mozart's behind me. Get your copy of picture of Mozart in that red coat off of Google Images. Also, there are 2 links to Eine kleine Nachtmusik, the bum, 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 symphony that Mozart wrote. And then we have a great video link for a guy playing all of those parts on a violin, and it's fantastic. That link is there too. It's great. I even put it on my homepage, on my Facebook page, so parents could watch it. The next thing we did was we played whole notes and dotted half notes on the piano. I have examples of how I do this activity. Did this activity yesterday with a couple little boys in my class. I'm going to do it again today with a larger class. But this is basically a whole note. A whole note gets 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a dotted half note. A dotted half note gets 1, 2, 3. And everything was backwards on the screen. So if the stem is on the wrong side or the dot's on the wrong side, for you looking there who know music, sorry about that. Can't do anything about it. But anyway, this is how you would play a dotted half note on a piano. Let me get plugged up here. A dotted half note is this one. Oh, back up. Watch this. 3 blacks, 3 blacks, come on. 3 blacks, 4 whites. F, G, A, B. 3 blacks, 4 whites. F, G, A, B. You're a preschool teacher. Of course you can write upside down. 3 blacks, 4 whites. F, G, A, B. 3 blacks, 4 whites. F, G, A, B. This is an activity even in itself. 3 blacks, 4 whites. F, G, A, B. All right, so I get the kids right there. I have them sit with their knees facing forward. I can't face my knee forward right now because I was stomping around on a glacier and tore my meniscus. There's an A. This is my script, how I teach the kids. Music finger out, bing, find an A. Let's play an A dotted half note. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and up. Good job, guys. Let's play it again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and up. Good job. Okay, let's play an F dotted half note. Find your F, everybody. Music finger up. Bing. Get ready and play. 1, 2, 3, up. Good job. Dotted half notes. Then I would lay them out here like this in no special order, and I would ask them, what's the first dotted half note we play? The second. And this also is teaching reading left to right. So there are a lot of different components in reading music and playing. It's one-to-one correspondence. Fantastic for everything you already know because you're a preschool teacher. So let me play this for you, for those of you who are new. A, 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, find your F dotted half note and go. 1, 2, 3. What's the next letter? It's a G. Find your G. 1, 2, 3. What's the next letter? It's a B. Play your B. 1, 2, 3. And what makes it a dotted half note is because you say 1, 2, 3 with your mouth. And then after we did that, then we did whole notes. Index cards, a preschool teacher's best friend. There's your whole note, just a circle, just an oval. And we do the same principle, except now a whole note gets 4 counts. So, all right, guys, let's play a whole note B. Music finger up, bing, and get your B ready and play. 1, 2, 3, 4. And doing the music finger up, bing, it keeps everybody from playing at the same time. I have 2 more keyboards right here. So when I have a big class, I set them end to end, so we have a long line. If you have an assistant in your class, great, utilize them. But this is how I keep the kids from going crazy on them. Put your hands on your head. So they're all sitting there like this, and it keeps them from going nuts, and they respond to the emotion, the drama. Oh no, you know what? Sometimes the kids mess up and they start playing crazy on the piano. Don't do that. Don't mess up. Keep your hands on your head. And they're very motivated because of the emotion, and they don't want to mess up in a perfect world. So good luck with that. There's a B, whole note, and it goes through the same process. But they would have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 just to demonstrate. Here's your F whole note, music finger up, bing, play your F whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, good job. And then go through each one of the notes, and then I'll put them there. All right, there you go. Oh, and we always sing states and capitals and presidents. There are links on my other videos for those. So, and I think that's took me 45 minutes today with my classes. Have a great week. Bye.